So let's talk for a minute about how you can prepare for your skeletal expander. One of the best things you can do is actually invest in a water pick. A water pick is going to be a tool that's going to help you keep the expander and all of the mini implants associated with the expander as clean as possible throughout your expansion process. Although you can keep it clean with a regular toothbrush and little interproximal brushes, the water pick makes that a lot faster and more predictable, and so I would highly recommend you look into getting one. If you're having the osteotomy procedure with your skeletal expander, then you will have been given a prescription. Don't forget to go ahead and take the prescription according to the instructions before you arrive at your appointment. The purpose of this prescription is to help limit the chances of you developing any sort of an infection after your expander is placed. Assuming you normally tolerate it well, I would suggest you take 1 dose of Tylenol 1 hour before your expander procedure. This is going to help allow that to start working. We do want you to avoid any ibuprofen, Aleve, or any other sort of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory, as those can increase the risks of bleeding. But 1 hour prior to your procedure, a box dose of Tylenol can go a long way in helping that pain relief moving forward. Typically, the most discomfort that you're going to have with your expander is going to be when the local anesthetic wears off. Usually that happens about 1 to 2 hours after you leave the office. And generally, our patients will describe this discomfort as more of a throbbing, deep type of a bruise discomfort for usually about 4 to 6 hours, but it can last for up to 1 to 3 days. The best thing you can do if you experience this is to stay consistent with the Tylenol and the ibuprofen. The ibuprofen you can start taking immediately after your appointment, and it does not interact with Tylenol. And so you can take them both at the same time, or you can alternate them. Just don't exceed the box dose for either one. When you have the expander placed, there's going to be a lot of new things in your mouth. So go ahead and refer back to our videos on placing wax or also on how to clean those appliances to make sure that everything is as clean and healthy as possible as you move forward with your treatment. After your expander is placed, we will go over with you all the things you're going to need to know about taking care of your expander, moving throughout your treatment, and answer any other aftercare questions that you may have. We've put together some videos that we hope you'll find helpful to guide you through your orthodontic journey. There's a list of those videos below, so go ahead and check them out, and if there's any information that you need, go ahead and give them a watch. So we're excited to have the opportunity to accompany you on your orthodontic journey, and we can't wait to see that beautiful smile that awaits you. Once again, if there's anything else we can do for you, please don't hesitate to ask, and welcome to our practice.